In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted object in Photoshop. So let's get started. Open a new document, picture. So open it on Photoshop. Okay, perfect. Okay, now create a new layer. Create new layer, then select a color, any color. Now select brush tool and brush setting. There are two settings, two brush, hard brush and soft brush. Always use, in this case, always use hard brush. Now brush tool select. Opacity now down opacity and draw. Now all is perfect. Now control press the draw icon, then select it, then fill, edit to fill, content aware, then OK. Then see the magic. Control D to deselect. Now just hide layer. Wow! Remove our unwanted object. That's it. Thank you.